Welcome to Module 2 for PowerPoint 2016. In this module, you'll learn how to insert specific slide layouts, apply a different slide layout, duplicate, hide, unhide, and delete slides, modify the slide backgrounds, and insert slide headers, footers, and page numbers. As you are developing your presentation slides using your research about Antarctic Peninsula, you may choose to insert slides with different layouts into the presentation among the current slides. To insert a slide or slides, click your mouse in between the slides on the left in the thumbnail view. To insert a slide with a different layout, click the Home tab on the ribbon. Click the drop-down arrow next to New Slide in the Slides group under the Home tab on the ribbon. Here you will see a variety of layout options. Click to select a slide layout option to add to your presentation. There may also be instances where you want to duplicate one or more of the slides within your Antarctic Peninsula presentation. To duplicate, select one or many slides from the left-hand side thumbnails. Right-click the selected slide to open the menu. Click to select Duplicate Slide, and the selected slides will be duplicated and added to your presentation. Another way to duplicate a slide would be to select one or many slides from the left-hand side thumbnails. Click on the Home tab. Then click the drop-down arrow next to Layout under the Home tab in the Slides group to select the layout you plan to use. As you continue to edit and build your Antarctic Peninsula presentation, think ahead to when you will actually present. Perhaps you plan to use your slides as a guide when you present your research through PowerPoint. One thing you can do is put additional slides among the current ones to remind you what to do or say, but hide them so the audience doesn't see them. To do this, insert the slides with their layout and complete the content you want to include. Click the Slideshow tab on the ribbon and click Hide Slide, or right-click on the slide and choose Hide Slide from the menu. This will place a diagonal line through the slide number on the left in the thumbnail view so you know it is hidden. If you determine that you do not need a slide and you want to delete the slide from your presentation, click to select the slide from the thumbnails that you want to delete. You can either delete the slide by pressing the Delete key on your keyboard or by right-clicking and selecting Delete from the menu provided. Within your presentation, you may choose to change the layout of one or more slides that already has content on it for a variety of reasons. To change the layout on an existing slide, click to select the slide with the layout you plan to change. Now right-click on the selected slide and click Layout. Choose the comparison layout to use on that slide. On that same slide, let's change the background. Click to select the slide from the thumbnails on the left-hand side. Right-click on the selected slide. Click to select Format Background. On the right-hand side of the open window, you will be given several choices for changing the background on the slide. Click to select Picture or Texture Fill. Click to choose Online, which will take us to the Internet. In the search box, type Antarctica. Click to select the image you want to use in the background and click the Insert button. In the title box, type Antarctic Peninsula. It is often helpful to have information on the slides in the header and footer to keep the topic in the forefront of the minds of the audience. Where the header and footer show up on your slides depends on the theme you have chosen. To insert a header, footer, and slide numbers, click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group of commands, click to select Header and Footer, which will bring up the window to enter your information. Select the checkboxes for Date and Time, Slide Number, and Footer. In the text box under Footer, type the title for your presentation. the Antarctic Peninsula. Click Apply to All. Now you see the date, title, and slide number are visible on each slide.